Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me.
Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, happy Tuesday. Taco Tuesday for some of y'all. Taco Tuesday for some of y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna cook or what I'm gonna have today or not, but I just wanted to hop on real quick and just say hello, introduce today's vlog. So in this video I will be sharing just giving y'all a little tour of my family area. It's still not complete because I still haven't found the pieces that I want for the wall yet over the couch. And yeah, I made a few changes, not nothing major, but I made a few changes. Plan on making more soon. I was gonna make them about a month ago, and I said, well, let me wait because I had stuff going on you know, upstairs. Which I got those videos out now. I've been working on the other bedroom, the one I said is like a catch-all. Been working on that lately, and so yeah, just trying to get that together. Definitely get that together. But yeah, so down here, y'all pretty much know the colors and everything. Like I said, I just added a little bit of fall to it. Y'all know the fall will be. The fall is actually the couple pieces that I put down here for fall has been down here. I just hadn't shared it with you. But I'm going to tell you right now, it ain't going to be down here for long because it's getting ready to be October. And y'all already know it's time to get it in. So what I'm going to do is probably sometime this week, I'm going to go back to my storage and I'm going to pull my trees out. And I'm going to put my trees in place where I want them to be. I don't think I'm going to decorate them yet, but I want to have the trees in place, and then once they get in place, then I can go back to my storage and I probably already been and did this too. Go get the decor and everything, and just put it, you know, by the tree, so I know I got all of that stuff together. So what I need for this tree or that whatever, I'll just have the tote sitting, you know, in that area. I'm trying to have that already done because I didn't tell y'all that I got a procedure coming up. 3 weeks I got a procedure coming up, and so that's the reason why. Well, it ain't the only reason why I want my trees up, but I want to have the trees already up because I'll be going out of town, and then I said when I come back, a couple days after I come back, I'll be having surgery. So I want to already have that in place. So when I'm on my downtime, which my downtime is not going to be like normal, like how it would normally be, you know, when you have surgery. They said just like a few days, but you still have to take it easy. And so I forgot the name of the exact surgery, but y'all know I had the 2 surgeries on my right hip with the thick, when I had the thick gluteus medius tear. So they're going in, they're gonna draft some skin, and you know, so they're working on my hip again. I just say that. Yeah, so prayerfully this will be it. But yeah, so I wanted to have my trees up that way, like I say, and have the decor in place, like the tubs. So when my downtime, as I was saying, that will give me something to do to decorate the trees, and that way I could keep my footage going for y'all. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, I'm excited to get it done. And I'm excited for Christmas, y'all, because y'all know I tell y'all all the time, besides my birthday, Christmas is my favorite holiday. Anybody that know me, they know that Christmas is my favorite holiday besides my birthday. And so, but yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to share that real quick with you before I turn the camera on, and you know, and share with y'all what I got going on. I got, in my beauty room, I had pulled out, I don't know if I ever shared that with y'all. I might have did. But I had pulled out, like, the broken glass pieces and stuff like that. Some of the pieces y'all seen I had upstairs. But the one big piece I used to have in my living room in my cabinet. But it's been down here for some years. Then I ended up putting it in my beauty room. Let me show y'all. The reason why I'm saying that is I was thinking about pulling that stuff out when I do my Christmas decor and just pulling it out of here, you know, and putting it in there. Hold on. Hey, y'all, it's a whole hot mess in here right now. But these pieces right here is what I was talking about. all of these pieces here. But that's the centerpiece right there that I was talking about. So I don't know. I might pull this stuff out of here, depending on if I decorate in here or not. If not, I might pull that stuff out and pull it into my family area. Yeah, I'm thinking family area. Unless I do my kitchen or something like that. I'm going to play it by ear. I'm going to play that part by ear. But yeah. I don't know why I stepped back to show y'all all the mess in here. But yep. So the only thing I did in here as far as the fall is put my candy dish in here. And I ain't put no candy in here. But yeah. Okay, y'all. So the lighting down here really do suck. I was going to do just a quick outfit for the day. Maybe I'll do it when I get upstairs. But I need more light. I need to get some more lights going on down here for real. I really, really do. But anyways, y'all, I just wanted to come on and just share that little bit with y'all. And now I'm getting ready to just share with y'all my family room. That's going to be it for this until I start pulling out Christmas, y'all. I'm so excited. And I know some people that will be like, it's too early to pull out Christmas. But even before I became a content creator, like I said, I didn't do the traditional thing. I did my own thing, and November 1st, my trees was already up by November 1st, because that's just, I had created my own way. I wasn't with the traditional stuff no more, the superstition, all that stuff. So, but being a content creator, it just helped make you want to do it. It's like to do it a little bit earlier so that people can get ideas and stuff like that, and then with us, a lot of us have multiple trees. So it's just best to get it done early. For me, I like to get it done early. I like to enjoy my Christmas decor. And in between, I make changes and all that type of stuff. It might not look like it, but I make changes and all of that. But I like to sit in it. When I say I really do love Christmas, besides it being Jesus' birthday, I love looking at pretty stuff, beautiful things, and the lights and the sparklies and just the decor, just looking at what I created. And and so I just like to sit back and, like I say, enjoy. So I probably end up having like some family, or some family gatherings or a family gathering or something like that during the Christmas season, so that, everybody can come and, take some pictures and stuff by the trees and stuff with their kids or their grandkids and stuff like that. Probably do like a quick little potluck, and play and make some games and stuff for the kids can play. And I already know it's going to end up being, it's going to be a family day. So it's going to end up being a card game after the fact. Y'all know how it is. Black tradition. Now that right there, that ain't going nowhere. They go play cards, that at a birthday party or some type of gathering. But yeah, but I don't want that to happen until after the fact with, just celebrating and enjoying everybody together. And then even with the games, like I got so many Pokino games. So the kids, some of the bigger kids can even play Pokino, with everybody for fun. And and then I still have like the tic-tac-toe game that I made. I got the other games that we played for Christmas before at the party. I can pull all of that stuff back out and just have a good time. So yeah. But anyways, y'all, just doing a bit of too much talking. Let me go ahead and turn this camera around, give y'all a quick spin. So I'm sitting here, let me say this. I'm sitting here, when I turn the TV on, I'm sitting here looking. I'm like, okay, now, what is it? Homebody by Felisa. Now, that's one of my faves. Now, Felisa is a nurse. Now, she's a full-time nurse on top of the fact she's been doing YouTube for I don't know how many years, but she is so good at what she does. Like, if y'all watch her channel, y'all already know. She even got her shed out there with all her stuff out there. But she is good at decorating. Her video is like every time she have a video, it's something different. The colors, she changed. Like, she is so dedicated. And I love that about her. Because, we get a lot of ideas from her and everything. But when I went back, when I made my mind up to go put my living room back to black, when when I was doing my transition, she was also transitioning into black. Okay. And, of course, everybody's stuff be different, but she was transitioning into black. And it's like, some of the colors, some of the decor we do have the same, or or it might not be the same, but it'd be the same colors and stuff like that. But I just thought it was funny because I said some of the things that she's doing, I'm doing. I might not be doing it in the same room. I might be doing it in a different room, but the whole color theme. So I'm saying that to say, when I turned the TV on, her video was on, and I'm like, oh, wait a minute now. Okay. Now everybody wanted the viral Nutcracker. I bought the Nutcracker 3 years ago. I bought it in red. They had it in white and red. I bought it in red because they had red at that time, so I wouldn't have to spray paint it. And that's because y'all know I do the red and the green theme. I was doing that a lot downstairs, and so it came in handy right away. And so now it's like I said, it's still viral. But what I'm saying with her, she has the Nutcracker. Look like she done painted it too. I don't know if she got that one or not, the same exact one, but I know she has a Nutcracker in there. But I saw she had her first tree up in the living room. So I didn't watch the video. I just saw that when it first came on, and I paused it. And so I'm like, wait a minute now. Y'all know when I did my haul for Christmas, I hauled that sequin red tree. It's not a skirt, but it's the, what do you call it? The collar. And I'm like, I know she ain't got the same collar. That's why I be saying gray minds think alike, y'all. And when you are doing content creating, you're going to run into that. But it's just funny because she has a black and white living room, and I guess she's doing red too. We're going to be doing red together. But
broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you, to you. I wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could